बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद वअज्जिल फरजहुम अस्सलामु अलैकुम. It's your boy Nalan Muhammad, and today is the date is 20th January, and the day is Tuesday, and there is no news today. Let's see. Wait, check you. As you can see, there's no news, and tomorrow is President Trump speaks. Okay, let me show you the higher time frame. I already analyzed the charts, and I have a clear bias right now by analyzing one or two charts. The GBP chart is not that clear to me, but after looking at the dollar and the Euro USD, it's much clearer than before. Okay, and let me show you. Oh no, monthly chart we are more. Um, uh, let's forget it. On the monthly chart, we traded into a lower quarter of this week, the longer one from these. That's why I highlighted it, because it's bigger than these one, and the second one is this, which is recent. Okay, we traded into the lower quarter, and there was a weekly SMT before, and on the weekly chart I highlighted the biggest week here and the recent week. Same thing. We did the same with the weekly charts as well. We traded into the lower half, the lower quarter, and we traced low. Okay, and on the daily, let's see the daily chart. My night, I think it's a bit laggy right now. We traded into the this IFVG and we went below. We're right now in, we are right now in the 50% of this week quarters. Let's see the 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart, we are time frame, we are in premium. We haven't took this high, and one thing which is making me confused is my bias is right now bearish, more than I'm more bearish than bullish, but there are not much targets here. As you can see, we took the previous low, and I don't think so there's any recent lows to be taken. Okay, let's see the let's continue the analyzing or viewing the charts. On the 4-hour chart, we have a bearish SMT. As you can see, on the 4-hour chart, Euro has taken its previous 4-hour candle, but GBP USD has not. Okay, so we will highlight it. Oh, wait a minute. I will write on later. On the 1-hour chart, this same situation, same condition. This SMT on GBP USD is weak, and I'm going to look for a short after breaking market structure. And right now the time is 8:59, which is the macro time. Okay, so what I want is a breaking market structure. Right now we are we went into the premium of the 1-hour range, and this was SMT 4-hour and 1 hour. Let's highlight it. 4-hour and 1 hour SMT. The rules are same. We will risk 1%, and yes, 2 RR is the target. The 1-hour candle is closed, and the 8 AM candle is closed, and the 9 AM candle is opening. Start up. Okay, let's see how this trade. And this is the weekly opening gap. Let me show you where it was formed. I wish every gap or this week or any drawing has a time on it, that when it was formed, when it was used. Sorry. So this is the gap of 2nd January, and today is 20th January. So it's been more than 2 weeks. It's been 18 days. Yeah. And we are using this. This is the PDRA. This is the 1 hour 50%, and this is in discount. If we were bullish, we should be using it to the upside. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take entry if the candle closed below this structure. Okay, and wish this makes sense. We touched the lower quarter, and I'm in the trade on the market. Okay, so what I'm going to do is set the stop loss. Wait a second. Copy price. I'm risking 1%. And what's it? The price is the stop loss 575. It's 575. We will set it as 576 because of commission. Okay. Okay. And we entered on what? 1478. Let's see where is the 478. 4478 is here. It's still nice. 478. Yeah. I want this candle to not trade into this IVG. Okay. Let's see. And I want the price to take this loose first, and after the price take this loose, I will set the stop loss. If it didn't take this IVG, I will set the stop loss here, but it would be in drawdown. It would be in minus. The break even should be here. Let's see. My first target is here, and I want the candle to respect every discount PDRAs. These are logically a discount PDRAs below 1 hour 50% range. All PDRAs are discount PDRAs, but in this situation, I want all discount PDRAs to be used as premium. What I mean by this is I want the price to respect these levels to the downside. Okay, and my target is 2 hour. This video, if it's there, I don't know. Right now I'm feeling a little bit heavy, but it's okay. I took my risk, and I've been trading this for like a long time. I've been in this market for like almost 2 years, and it's not new to me, and I know what I'm doing. Price took the recent highs, traded into the C of the daily, went into the low quarter of the monthly, plus. Where's the weekly? Yeah, and then we respected all the video A's to the downside. Right now we are in the discount, and we used the weekly opening gap to the downside, and we used the 50% of the daily wick to the downside. So I took this trade on logic. I took this trade on my rules, on my model, and it's my model. I don't care if it even hit the stop loss, because it's not everyone of us no one has a 100% win rate, and market can do whatever it want. But the thing is, I followed my rules. So right now we went low. I like how price moved. I like how we didn't trade into this FEG, and we took these high, and then we trade. Now I want all PDRAs to be respected to the downside. Okay. And, yeah. Should we review? No, I was going to say, should we review our trades of the last week and at the same time this trade? But I think I should not. Or should I? Let me take a minute to take a decision on it. We took the recent low, first low, and what I don't like about this structure is only one thing, which is these highs, but they shouldn't be taken. And not every, as there are many other things which is telling me that it's bearish. It's bearish. And, this can't make this model a weak one. There are more and much stronger reason to be short here. We took the second low, and we can retrace from here, and I don't want it. The high risk model would be like this. The risk would be wait a second. This would be here, and or even into the CE, the weekly opening gap, and the target. I don't know, that minimum 2 hour for me, or we would have taken a partial set. The stop was to weekly and like 3 hour. Okay, and yeah, let's see the Euro chart. What's doing? Yes, I like how it's respected the weekly PDRA. It's a weekly wick. Here you can see it's now in the we are right now in the extreme premium of this daily range. This is the 50% of it, and we went like a lot above this, and we should be going lower. I think at least to this upper quarter or this 50%. If it's extreme bullish, then it might not trade. It may not trade into this 50%. And let's see the same thing on Euro USD. Euro USD is a bit. It's not big, but a lot messy here, and it's not clear as Euro USD right now. Usually it's clear than Euro USD. These smooth lows is making me interested. Daily chart on high time frame. Let's see the 4-hour chart. My net internet is not. Let's see 4-hour chart. And the 4-hour chart. This is the 50% would be like here, and we went. Yeah. Okay. Okay. If we are bearish on high, if we are bearish, I will be on high time bearish if we went low and break the structure, and this is what I think will happen. I think so. It's not like a guess. What's not seem like. So yeah. Okay, this is one more week. 15-minute chart. We took the other lows and we retrace it up. Yes, it can retrace up. As I said before, it can retrace up. Time is 9:15. I don't like this. That's maybe back tested. I didn't record. I did record it. I not posted. Will not post it. I don't think so because there is not that much in this recording. There was not grade taken. I won't say it was not given. It's more like I missed a move, which was this. And the news was at 8:30, and in my mind I was like, I will look for a trade in the 9:30, and I just start forwarding it very quickly after the 8:30. And the moment I realized the move is going to start, it was too late, and we were like here. And at that time, I just forwarded it. And after the session, I looked at the charts again and realized that there was a very good move, and it was a continuation model. Why it was a continuation model? Because this was a 50% range. I think I highlighted it somewhere. Yes, it is. It's a 1 hour 50% range. Okay. Lows, and we didn't took this low. I want right now to expand here and took this low at least. After the price will take this low, inshallah I will set the stop loss to the break even. Logically it should be here, or it should be here in the 50% of the week, but I can't set here because it will be in drawdown. Just let's see the price action. Let's see how price do. So what I was saying here, as I said before, we should be trading this in the bearish scenario. We should be in the continuation order as well. We should be trading the discount period is as premium in a bearish condition. And this is example of it. Sorry for dealing where I was. This is example of this continuation order. What I want to see here. Okay, so this is the same situation here. We traded into the PDRA and we respected it to the downside. And yeah, and that's the same thing I want to see right now. We respect these PDRAs to the downside. Okay, and I'm going to close the recording right now because it will be it's already been 25 minutes, and it will be much longer than usual. So I will catch you in the next recording, when I don't know if we went low after like hitting the TP, or after like at least 30 minutes after. If there's no TP or SL hit, I will be back in like 20 minutes. Okay. हेलो माइक टेस्टिंग हम दूसरी ट्रेड में, और ये हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया। इस बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे, और इतने टाइम के बाद 1-1.5 घंटे के बाद मैंने ये एंट्री लिया इस ट्रेड की ऑन रीजन ऑफ दिस वीकली अपर। मैं चाहता हूँ कि इस वीकली अपर पार्ट को हम यूज़ करें वो। Okay, this is the first presented very well 5 minutes. As you can see, we used it, and this was the at this time we used the discount period is to go up, and we traded into the 50% of that weekly range. Sorry, it's weekly week 50%, and we took the lows, two lows, recent lows, but we didn't take the last low, and we start going up. And now I'm taking this trade. The target is 2 hour, and yeah, just will not be recording this all trade, or will be talking like for 10 or 15 minutes like before. But I just want to show you the entry that I entered in this trade, as you can see. And this is my stop loss. And why did I enter in this trade right now? And I'm not going to talk about all the reason right now that why did I enter on this trade, but let's just talk about the entry. Why did I take our entry here, not here or here? This is also a breaking market structure, but it's below of that 25 upper quarter of the weekly week. And let me show you what. So here we went low and we took this recent low, and the second low this is this, which is not a relative equal low, but it's a lower low because it took uh, its uh, low of its right side and also the low of its left side, which is its previous lows, previous recent lows. So it's a lower low, and the same thing happened here, and we do the recent low, and then we break the market structure, and it's a proportional block, and uh, so yeah, I don't want price to trade below it, and I like how price is moving right now, and I want um, price to use this all premium period raise to as discount. So yeah, the target is too high, and in the previous trade, as it was all live as well, we'll see, or we'll have heads on. I don't know if it's the right word, but you understand what I said. That I was saying that we will take this recent and we can trace up or we can go. So it was uh, it was expected that it can go up to take this highs at least or go traced up. So if we so logically as a smart money trader, if the ICT was here, he would have set the stop loss to break even, or even the smart money concept traders. But why didn't I set the stop loss here? Because uh, my risk is so high, and I can't set the stop loss here. The logical stop loss should be here on this high. Why did not I set the stop loss here? Because my position is so high, and if I did set the stop loss here, and it wouldn't be a logical stop loss. Why? Because we, even if we were going to go lower, we can trade in this lower half, and if I set the stop loss here, it would be still in drawdown, and that's why I didn't set the stop loss. And right now I don't know what to do with this, and today I got hurt again. We took the recent low and we did not take this high, and we respected it and start going up, and right now it's going pretty well. It's the upper quarter, it's the lower quarter of this. And let's see if is there anything which should be highlighted, and we're in the lower half of that premium daily IFG. It's IFG, not it's IFG. It's IFG. I'm going to set the stop loss to the break even. If the end session ends, there is no news, and it's my rule that on the day when there is no news, shouldn't be trading the late news session. And I set the stop loss to the this. I want the price to use this PDRA to the upside and use a monthly lower quarter that quick, and we will. Right now, my extends my inner spirit, or what I would say, my dark, my inside devil, or I don't know what should I say, my weak side is saying right now to set the TP to 3RR, but I will not. I can't. I will not. And it's now it's my rule. And I will not set the stop TP to the 3RR. I just will get the 2RR and will be out from the market if I did get the 2RR. Right now we are. I think I will wait for 10 more minutes if because of this smooth price action. The stop loss is here, and why it's here is logically I like this. I'll show you this low because it took the previous low. Okay. I hope I get a TP. It's not a good time. It's an session of New York session and New York kill zone, and there's no news today. There's not news today, and in the data of my backtest data, I have seen that it's not good to trade in the end session of a day when there is no news. So yeah, let's see if I get the TP. The price action is not that good. I would say it's not smooth, and I got hurt a lot in these days, but I will not give up until I win, and I will fight back, and will follow my rules. Will be better day by day. Will try my best every day, and will overcome my mistakes. Will overcome all the things which is holding me back. I will overcome my emotions, my psychology, psychology, yeah, my my mind. So yeah, that's the main rule of this, and I will follow my rules, inshallah. And the reward is I will be given by my God, my Allah, and I just have to believe. I just have to believe that I can do it. That I can get all the things. That I will be. That all the things will be given to me, and just I have to believe and I have to follow my rules. I just have to wait and yeah. Oh, macro is going to start again. 2 minutes. I'm going to do. Hello, 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 hello. Mic testing. मैंने जी ट्रेड दिया रेट न्यू सेशन कोर ट्रेड वो जो पिछला ट्रेड था the trade I took for this was closed in break even and should be closed in more profit than it was closed, but it is what it is. I think it was because of this quick expansion, and then I took this trade because of the respecting of the upper quarter to the downside, and there was a way I respected the price respected the lower quarter of the monthly week and then the lower quarter of the daily week, which was in premium, and then the upper quarter there was a breaking market structure on 1 minute as well as 5 minute. Let me show you there as well. And yeah, this was the IFG, and it did not pan out as expected, but it is what it is. And we again today result in 2 drawdowns. First it was SL and then a break-even trade, and then SL again. What a dirty price action right here. Yeah, it was a quick break-even trade, but these were like a long trade, and I should not have taken this trade because it was a late New Year session. As well, it was late New Year session on the day of no news, and I broke my rule. And yeah, it is what it is, and I will be more careful. And I think it I get the best reward from it, which was closing in loss. So yeah, it was a lesson for me that even a good trade, if, it was a decent trade, but yeah, it was out of session, out of yield zone, and yeah, didn't follow my data. Yeah, what I learned from my data, backtest data. And, yeah, I'm happy. I'm not happy, but I think by right now, by speaking of it, I'm glad that I it resulted in stop loss, because if it was TP, that would have made me more comfortable to take trade in the late session, or make me comfortable to break a rule. So yeah, I will learn from a mistake, and not proud of what I did today in this, and this is what it is. I'm not either. It was a logical trade, and I guess I took it, and it resulted in stop loss, and it is what it is. And the second trade was going well at first. It was also going well at first, and we reversed after touching the low part of the price action. Is not it's also not smooth, and it's confusing. Not as good as I was expecting. This month it is a worse month. Let's say start. Yeah, it's not a good month for me. Not yet. Yeah, it's now. So I'm going to close the charts as well as the recording. It's time to sleep. And yeah, inshallah, it is what it is, and it's today, which was not mine. To be patient, I have to believe in myself. I have to follow my rules, and inshallah, not today. Today was not my day. And, I will get there. I just have to follow my rules. So right now it's took the recent low and now expanding lower. So it's a sign of a not a good market. That get confused and whatever confused you shouldn't be trading in that market. And yeah, we're expanding lower, and I will not be looking at the charts because I'm tired right now. I'm already overwhelmed and going to close the charts. So okay, I don't know when I will post this video and how long it would be, but I will try to make it as short as possible. Okay, this was the day, and we result in today. Yeah, almost 200 loss, 2% or two losses, which should be a logical 200 loss day, but it's a bit lower, I think. So it was a day in drawdown as well. It's okay, and inshallah, I will. The thing is, to do is just have to follow my rules, and yeah, okay, Allah Hafiz.